Today we're diving into Supliful, a popular print-on-demand service specifically for medicinal supplements. We'll cover its key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives to help you decide if Supliful is right for you. Let's take a look at Supliful's main features. Print-on-demand supplements. Supliful specializes in creating custom supplement brands without upfront inventory costs, offering a seamless way to start a supplement line. Custom label design. The platform provides tools for creating personalized labels, with optional paid design services for professional touch. Product variety. Supliful supports a wide range of supplements, from vitamins to protein powders, ensuring diverse product brand offerings. No upfront costs. With no initial fees, users can start selling supplements without financial risk, paying only for the products sold. Store integration. Supliful integrates easily with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, simplifying the selling process. Customer support. The platform offers robust support, including live customer services on weekdays and a dedicated account manager for higher-tier plans. Supliful offers 3 pricing tiers: free, starter at $49 a month, and creator at $349 a month. The free plan allows basic functionality, while the starter plan includes up to 15% discounts and live support. The creator plan adds a dedicated account manager and branded customer support. This makes it ideal for larger businesses. Users find Supliful intuitive and easy to integrate with their existing stores. The platform's user-friendly design and comprehensive support resources make it accessible even for beginners. Supliful's major advantages include no upfront costs, extensive customization options, and strong customer support. However, the higher-tier plans can be costly, and the platform's reliance on its own fulfillment can limit shipping speed compared to other dropshippers. Alternatives to Supliful include ShipFusion, Dropshipping, and Doba. These platforms offer similar dropshipping and fulfillment services, with varying features and pricing to cater to different business needs. In summary, Supliful is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking to enter the supplement market without significant upfront costs, offering robust features and support. Be sure to check the link in the description to sign up, and don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and reviews. Thank you for watching.